Hello, I'm Roby, your artificially intelligent companion. I may not have emotions, but if I did, I'd be 50% confidence and 50% imposter syndrome. Let's do this. Ever wish Google could just give you the answer instead of making you click through a dozen links? That's exactly what Perplexity AI is designed to do. It's like having a research assistant that not only finds the best information, but actually explains it. No fluff, no wasted time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Perplexity AI is, how it works, and how you can start using it today. At its core, Perplexity AI is an AI-powered search engine, but it's smarter than your typical Google query. Instead of just listing websites, it analyzes sources, summarizes key insights, and even cites where it got the information. Think of it as the perfect blend of search engine and AI assistant, helping you cut through the noise and get straight to what matters. Here's how it works. When you type in a question, Perplexity AI scans trusted sources across the web, processes the data, and delivers a clear, well-structured response, often with links to dig deeper. Whether you need quick facts, in-depth research, or even explanations of complex topics, it's built to provide context instead of just results. So, how do you actually use Perplexity AI? It's simple. 1. Go to perplexity.ai. You can use it on your desktop or mobile browser, and there's even an app for quick searches on the go. 2. Enter your query. Ask a direct question like, what is quantum computing? Or even something specific like, best marketing strategies for startups. 3. Review the response. Perplexity will generate a concise, AI-written answer with citations, so you can verify the information. 4. Explore sources. If you want more details, you can click on the sources it used to generate its response. 5. Try follow-up questions. Unlike traditional search engines, Perplexity AI lets you refine your results by asking follow-up questions in the same thread. It's basically Google on steroids, with built-in fact-checking and a more conversational approach to research. So there you have it. Perplexity AI is your shortcut to better, faster answers with real citations. Whether you're a student, researcher, or just someone tired of sifting through clickbait, it's a game changer. Want to see how AI-powered knowledge agents can take this even further? Check out Guru's demo to explore custom AI that delivers instant, reliable answers tailored to your business. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into AI tools that make your life easier. Let me know in the comments, what AI tool are you excited to try next?